You're getting weaker, and maybe you haven't realized it yet. Each passing day, something inside you loses a little bit of strength. It's not your body that weakens first. It's your spirit, your focus, your will. You wake up tired. You go to sleep frustrated. You look in the mirror and barely recognize who you've become. You think the problem is lack of money, luck, motivation, or opportunity, but that's not it. The truth is, you've been repeating in silence habits that drain your soul. They seem small, harmless, but they're corroding you from the inside. They've stolen your energy, your clarity, your courage. Today, I want to show you the 6 habits that are slowly making you weaker, and how to break free from each one before it's too late. Number 1, consuming more than you create. We live in the age of distraction. You open your phone and drown in videos, news, opinions, and promises of instant happiness. You think you're learning, but you're just filling your mind with noise. You watch other people's lives unfold while yours remains still. You feel like you know things, but you don't act on them. And knowledge that doesn't become action rots. The man who only consumes becomes weaker. He becomes a spectator of his own destiny. But the man who creates even something small shapes the world around him and strengthens his spirit. Create, write, build, move. Action is the antidote to weakness. Creation is the fuel of the soul. Number 2, choosing comfort over growth. You run from pain, from discomfort, from difficulty, from cold, from discipline, from solitude. But that's exactly where your strength is forged. Comfort tastes sweet at first, but poisons you over time. Pain is bitter at first, but purifies those who face it. The Stoic knows pain is not the enemy, it's the teacher. It's in discomfort that you discover what you're capable of enduring, and it's through endurance that you grow. You want a strong body? Face the weight. A strong mind? Face your problems. A strong soul? Face your fear. Comfort is the cradle of the weak. Discomfort is the training ground of the strong. Number 3, living without rituals, without direction. Without rituals, you're carried by chaos. You wake up reacting to messages, problems, noise, and spend the day surviving. But the man who lives reacting never creates his destiny. He only suffers it. The ancients understood, discipline is freedom. The disciplined man doesn't depend on motivation or mood. He does what must be done because duty comes before emotion. Create rituals, morning silence, study, training, reflection, gratitude. They are anchors that hold you steady. When the world tries to pull you away, when your body wants to quit, your ritual reminds you who you are. And when your mind wavers, your ritual brings you back to the path of virtue. Number 4. Surrounding yourself with people who drain your energy. Weak people don't just complain about life, they pull you down with them. Mediocrity is contagious, apathy is contagious, weakness is contagious. Look around you. Who are you spending your days with? Who do you share your dreams, your thoughts, your energy with? A man becomes the average of those he spends the most time with. And if the voices around you speak of fear, doubt, and surrender, you'll slowly start believing them. Cut what weakens you. Cherish those who lift you. Walk with the strong, the disciplined, the virtuous. Surround yourself with people who make you want to be better. The man who walks with the strong becomes unbreakable. Number 5, acting without system, without purpose. You try one thing, give up, try another, change direction, then change again. You think you lack talent, luck, or the right opportunity, but it's not talent you lack, it's structure. Without purpose, even strength is wasted. Without direction, even effort becomes meaningless. The Stoic plans like a general before battle. Every step has intention, every action has purpose. He knows that progress demands system, and that consistency outweighs intensity. Don't live by trying, live by executing. Build a simple plan, but follow it with discipline and patience. The man who follows a clear path always advances, even slowly. The one who changes direction at every obstacle stays lost. Number 6. Postponing the decision that could change your life. You know what needs to be done, but you keep waiting for the perfect moment that never comes. You wait to have more time, more money, more courage, but time passes and your life remains the same. Every delayed decision is a dying opportunity. Every avoided choice weakens your will. The man who postpones what he must do teaches himself to doubt his own word. And there is no greater weakness than losing faith in yourself. Courage doesn't come before action. It's born during action. Take the first step, even in fear. Fear is natural. Paralysis is a choice. Decide, act, even imperfectly, even uncertainly. The man who decides grows. The man who hesitates disappears. Stoicism doesn't promise a life without pain. It promises a soul that doesn't bend before it. It's not about erasing emotions, it's about mastering them. It's not about chasing happiness, it's about achieving serenity. Stop running from life. Stop chasing shortcuts. Stop wasting the present waiting for the perfect future. The strength you seek has never been outside of you. It's been inside you all along, dormant, waiting to be awakened. It's not what happens to you that defines who you are. It's how you respond to what happens. Epictetus.